It's January 1st, 2020. Our New Year's resolution is to leave the house twice a week. On January 1st, 2020, we went to the movies. Yep. Left the house, was completely dressed appropriately, braved the cold winter in Ohio to attend the movie theater. To see what else? Mr. Rogers. Loved Mr. Rogers when I was a little girl. Back when the TVs had antennas and 3 channels that you turned by hand. I like to stay home in the comfort of my dog pack. There's somebody. It's a butt. Little toy. Is the ear missing? Why, I believe both ears have been chewed off, but the toy is intact. Hey, you. Hey, Miss Cara. How you doing, honey? Cara. What happened to your toy? What happened to the baby? Huh? Did you chew the ears off your toy? It's rope, isn't it? And we got some rope. Okay. Still got a tail. 2 legs. 2 arms. There's your toy. There you go. What happened to the first fox? Huh? What happened to the first silver fox, the sly fox? Uh-oh, there's Gunner. There's Gunner's belly. That's the distended belly of a canine Cushing's disease dog. Let me rub it for him. There we go, buddy. There we go. There we go, buddy. I know him. Him has a hard time. He takes a pill every morning under the care of a veterinarian, but he's got the pituitary gland default that he needs to take Trilostane, 1 capsule a day for life. That's Gunner. He's asleep. We'll leave him alone. What? Oh my, what's this? Oh, is that the turkey leg? Is that moderator's turkey leg? The rancid turkey leg that Sharon Martin used to clobber the trolls with? How sweet. And there's the first fox. There's the first fox who was decapitated in the yard. Wonder what the future holds for my cousin Bob. Sleep with one eye open, buddy. That's all I got to say. Happy New Year, Joey. Happy New Year.